Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple Christmas home decor DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.
For the first DIY, I started off by putting apart this black canvas, and I'm going to be staining the wood.
Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Once the stain was done drying, I'm going to be using a stapler gun so I could put it back together, and I'm just going to remove the excess of the canvas.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me.
And now I'm going to be adding this cute little gnome I got from the Dollar Tree on the center.
We'll be singing all the melodies.
To make the canvas pop, I'm going to be adding some Christmas greenery and some red berries and a pine cone.
This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
For the second DIY, I started off by putting together these 2 pieces of wood with some hot glue, and I'm gonna add some Jenga blocks just to make sure that they are very secure together. And now I'm going to be painting it with some black paint, and once the paint was done drying, I'm just going to sand it down to make it look more distressed. And now I'm going to be adding some Christmas floral into this galvanized Christmas bucket.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by putting apart 2 of these metal wreath door hangers, and I'm going to also be painting them white. I just forgot to film that clip. To create a little snow sleigh, I'm going to be using these 2 wooden crates, and I just attach them together with some hot glue, and I'm also adding some Jenga blocks on the bottom, which are going to be 4, so that way I could be able to attach the metal hooks, which are technically the runners for the sleigh.
In Christmas times, oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
And now I'm going to be adding some Christmas floral into the crates.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
to give it more detail, I decided to add some burlap around the crates.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed it and also got great ideas. Just a little FYI, I actually did this video 2 years ago, but I never posted it. And I was like, why not? It's the time of the season, so I decided to edit it and post it now. I have been active on my TikTok. This is my username if you guys want to go check me out. And other than that, I hope y'all have a great day, stay safe, and blessings to everyone.